Wow, it looks so fun over there.
The main tower needs to be exactly this tall, Penny.
Hi Penny. Hi Oliver. Hi Milo! Look at our giant castle!
It's a highly structural fortress.
Can I play and help build it too?
Yes, Milo, we need your help. The foundation must be stable first.
Sure, you can help with the walls. Yay! I will make the best wall.
Careful, Milo. Don't touch the main tower.
I'll be super careful, promise. Oh look, pretty! Whoa! Oh no! Milo, the castle!
It has collapsed.
I was just building it.
My tower! It took me an hour to design that.
I'm sorry I slipped. It's all gone now. You're too clumsy, Milo.
I can't build with someone this messy.
Come on, Oliver. Let's go play on the swings instead. Wait, please don't leave me. I didn't mean to.
Oh dear, what's all this water doing in the sand?
A storm in a teacup, little one? What happened?
I broke the castle and my friends left me forever.
Forever is a very long time for such a small mistake. Look here. This bird was once just a broken branch. Mistakes happen. It's how we rebuild that matters.
But it still hurts inside.
I know, child, but I believe the best medicine is already on its way.
Milo!
Mommy? Mommy! Mommy, they left me!
Shh, Mommy's here. I've got you, my sweet girl. I ruined everything! You didn't ruin everything. Accidents happen, my brave little one.
True friends help each other rebuild.
Look who's here, sweetie.
Milo, we are so sorry we got mad and left you.
A castle is just sand. You are our friend. We miscalculated our priorities.
I forgive you guys. Yay! Best friends forever!
Agreed. The friendship protocol is restored.
Let's build a bigger castle! I'll dig the moat.
Excellent strategy, Milo. I'll map the perimeter.
Thank you for watching over her, Barnaby.
It takes a village, Luna. And a mother's love fixes everything else.
There! The king of the castle!
Time to go home, Milo.
Bye, guys! See you tomorrow! Bye, Milo!
See you.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you more, my brave girl.